drop them and I'll blow a hole right through your car.
You wouldn't do that to a perfectly good car, would you?
I did it to my mom's car. I'll do the same thing to yours.
You shot a hole through your mom's car?
Yeah.
What kind of son are you?
Hey, you don't know what it's like to live with my mom. Always nagging me, trying to get me to move out.
You still live with your mom?
Whoa, okay, look, I'm doing the side missions, I'm saving up money, I'm gonna move out when... Hey, you know what? Why don't you shut up?
Look, I get it. Life is stressful. Everybody needs a break once in a while, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you what. I'm gonna give you a break. Do you like my car?
Wait, what?
Do you like my car?
Yeah, it's a nice car.
Well, you can have it.
Are you trying to mess with me? I'll shoot your car, Killer Bean. I'll do it!
It's not a trick. I could tell you're going through some personal issues. Just take the car, it's not a big deal. I can always get another one.
You're gonna give me your car?
I may be known as Killer Bean, but I'm also sometimes known as Compassionate Bean.
I don't know what to say.
You don't have to say anything. Here, just take the keys. Enjoy the ride.
Oh, no way! I'm gonna be driving Killer Bean's car? This is gonna be so awesome! Where's the keys? Where are the keys? Where are the keys?
Did you enjoy the ride?
No!
I did.